What's up everyone, GT here today, and we are unboxing We Happy Few for the Xbox One. So many of y'all gamers think this plays like Bioshock. I don't know, I guess once we unbox this and I get a chance to play it, I'll judge for myself to see if this does play like Bioshock or if it's similar to Bioshock. So let's go ahead and start unboxing this game and check it out. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this blade out of the way, get this little plastic, throw it on the floor, and boom, there you go. We Happy Few. I'm guessing that's a downloadable content code, and of course you got the disc. So if this is a code, y'all guys can have it. So here goes the code. There you go. VPCQKRRMHD4P3WV4YTPD and Q9HXZ. So go ahead and take that code. And this is for We Happy Few exclusive Jolly Brawly weapon. Oh man, I got excited. I thought we were talking about like Dragon Ball Z shit and stuff. Oh well, anyways, here you go. Code, y'all can have it. Here we have the game disc, and there you go, game disc. There's a pill. I hope this game does not reference drugs. I just kidding. Oh well, but yeah, look, check out the disc, and yeah, that's all it is. Nothing in the inside of the box as usual. I usually like the cover art in the inside of the box, which is pretty cool. Some games have it, some games don't. Here you have the front. You have We Happy Few, 4K Ultra HD, HDR, Xbox One Enhanced. You got a clown or a guy with a mask, kind of looks like a mime. You got Bruce Wayne's dad and his mom. The mom chasing him with the frying pan, about to smack him. And this is by Compulsion Games, Gearbox. Of course, this game does require, come on, zoom in. Let me see if I can fix this here to get it to zoom in. Much better. So this does require 11 gigabytes of storage. So as I mentioned before, Xbox One X Enhanced, Ultra HD, High Dynamic Range, and Xbox Single Player. So that's right, this is a single player game. No multiplayer action, paction, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the game. Nothing fancy. I don't know if there's any special editions that came out, but if there were, I kind of missed out because I love buying special edition games. As you can see in my previous videos, I always buy like top-notch limited editions, Hall of Fames, collectors, the super duper cut edition, stuff like that. I'm into that stuff. I like the collectibles that you get inside of it. So that's pretty much it for the game and the unboxing. Alright, so there you have it. We Happy Few for the Xbox One. This is also out for Steam, PlayStation 4, so make sure you go ahead and check that out. There goes the code. I got a free code for free DLC content. And of course, the disc that you see there on the left. It's kind of like a hippie, trippy type of disc. But anyways, thank you guys and gals for watching. And I do apologize for the audio on the last video for the Madden game. I've been switching out mics, and I guess you could say I'm back uploading videos. So I'm GT, signing out, and I'll see you guys and gals later. Adios.